guys, so today is going to be kind of a different video and I'm just going to be sitting down and chatting with you guys about life. There's so much going on even though there's like really nothing going on. Like I want to talk about Veda, which is video every day in April, and how that's going and future plans. I want to talk about the quarantine and just dealing with that and the stress. I want to talk about money because obviously this quarantine has a lot of us not working, including myself, and I want to kind of give you guys an update on that. So I'll have timestamps in the description box below as well as in the comments if you guys just want to skip to like different topics. So the first thing I want to talk about is Veda, which if you guys don't know, I'm trying to upload a video every day in April, and if I upload this video today, which I plan on doing, then I will be on task, and this is day 17, I think. Yeah, it's April 17th. So I have what, 13 more days to go, and it sounds like so much, but at the same time I'm over halfway through and I'm so proud of myself for uploading a video every day. I didn't think I could do it. I thought maybe if I like got through the first like week or two I would be proud of myself, but now like I almost didn't upload a video today and I felt so bad and I was like so down on myself, and I was like, I have to get a video up. So that's what I'm doing today with this one, and I thought this would give you guys a better chance to like get to know me a little bit better. This video would tell me who my real subscribers are, my real friends, because if you guys watch this video just to hear me talk, then I know you guys are really here for me. Anyways, Veda. So today is the 17th. I'm uploading this video. I just did like a whole bunch of cleaning, so I think I'm gonna bring it up into 2 videos, maybe 3, but probably 2. So that gives me content for the next 2 days, and then I have 10 more days of content, I think, or 11 that I need to do. So if you guys have video ideas of stuff you want to see, it can be cleaning, organizing, decluttering related, or it can be like something else totally random, definitely let me know, because I definitely need video ideas for the next 2-ish weeks. If you guys watched my video I put up about a month ago, I want to say, on how I plan to save $12,000 in the next, or 15, I don't remember, how I plan to save $12,000 or $15,000 in a certain amount of time, and I talked about like my jobs and how I make money, and I'll link that video up here if you guys are curious and have no idea what I'm talking about. But I went into like detail about my finances and my budget and stuff, and obviously right after that video happened, this whole quarantine and pandemic thing happened, and my income streams kind of dropped slowly. So like I lost one part-time, I didn't lose it, but it's not open until this quarantine's over, so I lost that money. This is my first week that I'm not getting paid for one of my nanny jobs, which I'm so grateful that they still paid me for a certain amount of time even though I wasn't working, but they obviously decided that, you know, there's no more school, so they don't really have a need for me, and you know, they were super nice about it, but obviously I'm not going to get paid for that. So now I'm down to 1 income stream. Luckily it's my biggest income, but it's still only 1 out of my like 3-4 incomes, so it's definitely been a struggle. And I know this stimulus check everyone's been talking about, I don't qualify because my mom claimed me last year as a dependent, so I don't get one. As far as unemployment, I'm working on getting that. I qualified, but I'm kind of confused about that whole process, so I just reached out to them today to kind of get clarification on whether I'm gonna get any money or not. But yeah, it's definitely been a struggle. I'm trying to not get down about it and hope that like something turns around, but at this point it's, I don't even know, it's kind of hard, and it's getting to the point where I'm like getting stressed because like I can probably afford another month of expenses until like I would have to dip into my savings, which I really don't want to do. So hopefully things turn around. That was more about money. Now about the actual quarantine. So I've been in the house like on quarantine for a good, I want to say like 5 weeks now without working. Like, well, the first week I was off, I worked like 2 out of my 3 jobs, and then I dropped down to 1 out of my 3 jobs the next week, and then I was off like completely now for 5 weeks, and I have mixed feelings about it. On one hand, I feel like super grateful to have this time off, mostly paid, at least in the beginning, and I'm using this time A for my YouTube channel and creating content, B for trying to just relax. I mean, being a nanny is very stressful. I mean, I love my job, but just dealing with kids literally every single day at all of my jobs and working, you know, 60 to 70 hours a week is very stressful and can take a toll on you. So at least in the beginning, I was kind of grateful that I had some time off, because this was before everything was closed. So I could still kind of like live a life, but I was like kind of on vacation, and then everything closed, and now it's gotten to the point where I'm like over it. Like I can't even use this time off to get anything done really. Filming videos can only take up so much time, same with editing, and also it just gets tedious and I don't want to do it all day every day. So I've been watching Netflix, which if you guys want to know what I've been watching on Netflix, I can make another video about that. I've been taking a bunch of naps. Like there's days that I don't even get out of bed. I will like get in or wake up, eat breakfast, take a nap, wake up, go on YouTube, take a nap, wake up, watch TV, take it. Like there's days that I just don't even get out of my bed. I'm somebody that my family and friends would probably call an introvert, at least up until about 1 or 2 years ago, and I've definitely branched out. But now I'm kind of mad that I did, because now I don't know what to do with myself when I'm at home too much. And especially when I was working, like if I had this much time at home, I would be either sleeping or getting something done. But now that I've gotten everything done that I need to do, it's like, what do I do now? I want to read, but at the same time I don't want to read, so I haven't really picked up a book. I've organized and I've cleaned everything. I've done everything I wanted to do. So it's like I still have like 3 more weeks of this at least, and I'm losing my mind. I want to know how you guys feel about this whole quarantine. Like, are you guys happy to be spending this time with your family? I mean, I'm sure you are, but I'm sure you're also stressed at the same time about something, whether it's being home with your family all day and homeschooling them, or something about your job, or it could be anything. But I just kind of curious how you guys feel about the whole situation. So if you guys have video ideas, leave them down below in the description. I'm so excited. I have a collab video coming up. Anyone else wants to do a collab video, please let me know. I think it's a ton of fun to do with people that have, you know, similar content to you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for cleaning, organizing, and decluttering content. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.